So here's the box with the Super ATV arms in it. You got, these look like the 12 millimeter spacers, misalignment bushings. Or no, these are the 10s. These are the 12s. So we tried to stick these in the PM Machine ones. Yeah, M10, M12. But they were a little loose, so he didn't feel that that was it didn't feel that good. So these are 12 millimeter bolts. Here's 10 millimeter bolts. Here's an arm. There's a radius plate. 4 arms. This is one that's unwrapped. I mean, they're good. We'll see how they go. I'm always, I don't know. I'm always skeptical of most things, but we'll see how they install and if they're good. Comes with some stickers. And this is the part number, whatever that part number is there. So, RA01002. Made in China. The PM Machine ones were made in the US. And they pretty much said, like, if you break one, you bring it back, they give you a new one. It's like, that's how good the warranty is. This one, I guess he said if you break one once, they'll give you a replacement, but after that, it's not as easy. So, I don't know, we'll see. Mostly, I need to use this tomorrow, so that was like, I didn't want to rush, but at the same time, I need to get this done. So, we'll see how it goes.